Off top, run a nigga out his socks. Niggas talk more than bitches. Niggas really be on cock though. Just fucked the hoe out in France, paint her face like Picasso. I iced out my vatos, I'm really up. Big ass beamer, big bands in my Bentley necks. Don't play around on my phone, ho. Give me sex. Watch on my wrist, out of date, but it's Rolex. Grizzly up next, I'm up now. Strap your bullet vest.
550, 600 hundreds, 720s. Let's get straight to it. 810s, what's that? 8 bands. Hit the store and get some rubber bands. Let's get straight to it. Everybody come together, everybody got the plan. He came with you, so if he steal it, fall on you, we on your ass. Hey, yo, mans, call his mans, make sure they ain't moving fast. Soon as they touch Atlanta, get with both, secure the bag, nigga.
Oh, A-back security, that's on my mama, bro. Ace and little hoe, she right that dick, Yokohama flow. Made that shit double, got a Uzi, I don't scuffle, not a banger, but that banger in my glove like an airbag. Niggas only aiming in the sky, call those Air Max. All up in demons, copping shit like fuck a price tag. I'm ballin', ain't there, right nigga in the game that I'm calling. If I need help, about dollars by my CKL.
You swear your bitch faithful, she sent her location. I hit her at the trap indicator, she basic. Chop with the laser, get decapitated. Can't smoke, I'm on papers, hold on, this my Jamaica. Love one, niggas want me dead, so I'm steady praying. Ain't no disrespect without retaliation. Fuck a hotel, I hit her in the basement. Text her later like I'm done with you, I got a situation, baby.
Well shit, bro, let me get her then. I'm a dogger out the switcheroo to the Lions Den. Nigga talking down my bro, got more heat than a frying pan. Gucci around my hair, wrapped tight like I'm Taliban.
Like I'm Taliban, how we drop shit. Go. Lot of dreadheads, lot of chopsticks. Touch my nigga Yachty, get your top ripped. Don't ask the price if you know you ain't tryna cop shit.
You the type to look around but never cop shit. Ay, I'm the type to buy the store, make them restock it. Ay, beam on everything I own, I will not miss. Grizzly by my side like a pilot riding cockpit.
Yachty, I might stop rapping for this one reason. If the feds hear this shit, I'm doing 100 seasons. In the hood, shooting craps in my Yeezys. Put angels on you niggas who be playing like y'all demons.
Middle finger to them niggas hating and faking they plying. On my death, I get they mothers deep penetration. This diamond choker for some reason, give me pure ventilation. Every real nigga living will respect this collaboration.
We the bust down brothers, check the rollies out. Say you winning one more time, I'm pulling trophies out. Niggas know we out, no Shaqs or Kobe's out. In other words, I'm with all shooters that'll blow you down.
From the D to the A, put respect on it. If that's your hoe on my dick, got a mouth on it. I'm from the south, I got diamonds in my teeth. I got fur on my fleece, my new ring can pay your lease.
Nigga, chain on my dresser next to my indictment. When they said not guilty, I was so excited. From the A to the D, bitch, you heard Yachty. Rafe coming this summer, I'ma have your bitch driving.
Off top, run a nigga out his socks. Niggas talk more than bitches. Niggas really be on cock though. Just fucked the hoe out in France, paint her face like Picasso. I iced out my vatos, I'm really up. Big ass beamer, big bands in my Bentley necks. Don't play around on my phone, ho. Give me sex. Watch on my wrist, out of date, but it's Rolex. Grizzly up next, I'm up now. Strap your bullet vest.
550, 600 hundreds, 720s. Let's get straight to it. 810s. What's that? 8 bands. Hit the store and get some rubber bands.
What up, chat? What's going on? Hold on. Did anyone hear that? Hold on. I'll do it again. Marcos is Maybach music. Call me DJ Donvo, man. No longer a trader. Call me DJ Donvo.
Maybach music.
What up, chat? How you guys doing today? What up? Where's the song? From the D to the A. Ty Grizzly and Lil Yachty. It sounds a bit old though. Sounds a bit old. But I just remember the song today. I'm like, yo, this song hit. This song hit. Alright, what up, chat? How you guys doing today? Good morning, everyone. Each and every one of you guys. All you beautiful faces, what's up? Sorry. What up?
Well shit, bro, let me get her then. I'm a dogger out the switcheroo to the Lions Den. Nigga talking down my bro, got more heat than a frying pan. Gucci around my hair, wrapped tight like I'm Taliban.
You fucking guys. Alright. Good morning. Okay, so first things first. Let me just put my glasses on. Because I bought these blue light glasses and like I bought 2 of them. I don't even wear them still. I thought I didn't wear the first one because I didn't like the way I looked. It has nothing to do with that. I just don't wear them because I don't know. I gotta wear them though for my eyes go like my eyes get very strainy after the stream. Like I don't know why. I don't know why. Sorry, chat. How much spent on them? I mean, this is $200. It wasn't bad. It's just that like I gotta make use of them, you know. I can't, you know. Even if they were like $10, you know, I still gotta make use of them in a way. Just be throwing money left and right like that. Yeah, 200 Canadian. Good morning. GM, but GM stands for get money. What up? Alright. Oh, yo, we should make that command every morning. Every morning, but GM in the chat. It just spams up GM, but GM stands for get money. That's so cool. Alright. Good fake out on gold. Careful. Alright. Real quick, chat. What do you have today? You have, oof. What do you have today? You have CAD news, CHF news, USD news, Euro news, GP news, JPY, USD. Okay, cool. So till 9 a.m. I mean, we're good. Nothing to worry about. Again, all basically yellow folders. Nothing major today going on. So we should be in good hands in this case. Cool. All right. Next, like the red folders are coming at like later on. It's their speeches. They're coming at 11:45. Obviously, we wouldn't be on that time. So we should be in good hands here today. Tomorrow should be, yeah, tomorrow's kind of the same. I mean, tomorrow we have final GDP, but I mean, let's worry about that stuff tomorrow. We should be in good hands today. Pretty chill day. Okay, real quick, going GJ here. So let me take my time today since yesterday came late. Today we got a little bit more time than yesterday. We got 15 minutes to do our analysis. All right. Doesn't take that long, but you know, at least we don't got to rush anything. The weekly for GJ here is bearish. Or for gold, sorry, is bearish. All right. We came down. We tapped the weekly target. We tapped this minor support right around here. Tapped it and then pressed on to reject there. Keep in mind though that the day time frame still closed bearish. So at any given point, the day time will still drive down. Let's drop down to daily. Look at daily. Day yesterday closed bearish. I believe today you had a range to go down towards the support here at 1730 today. So I do expect this day candle to flip bearish as long as it respects the previous day candle high. That previous day candle high is gonna be up here at around this resistance right here. So as long as you respect this high right here, price should be able to drop down to retest the lows at any given point, right? So if I'm looking for sells today, which I am, I want to see if we can get sells below. I believe you have a resistance right around here, chat. I marked this up as a resistance here. You have a resistance right here, and technically price did break above that resistance. And yeah, it broke above that resistance. So if price is able to maybe break back into the range here below 1743, you have a very high chance for a sell. The price to drop down towards the next support, which is down here or down here at the 1738 mark. So 1738. All right, cool. So probably wait for sells below here. I mean, some of you guys are arguing to say this is a range to breakout. I believe it is, but I mean, we couldn't get in it or anything. Obviously, like we're like halfway into a 30-minute candle here. So if you get a closure above an hourly, it's just that the days it's heavily bearish, and like at any given point we can still flip bearish here. I mean, I know the forward candle is bullish, but the forward candle, the previous forward candle, also has no top wick here as well, which gives me an idea that this might be a fake out on the hourly candle if we were to break back into the range here. But I mean, if price does come down here, create support at 1743, I'll look for bias going up. But until then, at any given point, price will just break back into the range. So if price does do that, I'll look for sells come down to fill the range back into this area here. All right. But yeah, that is gold here. That is gold for me today. Next pair is gonna be GJ. GJ for the weekly is bearish. Or sorry, it's bullish. We're technically bullish. I know we're bearish right now, but we're technically bullish because at any given point, price can still flip bullish to continue up as long as it respects the previous week candle low. So we have a long way to go, obviously, but I believe with the day candle closing bearish, I am bearish today. Price day closes bearish, looks a lot cleaner in gold by far today. Close below support here, close below this range here. finally. So I do believe today you have clean traffic driving price down towards the support down here at the 149,500 mark. So I am looking for sales today coming down towards the support level. If I'm looking for sales, the fact that we're expecting the price to drop down like this, if I'm looking for sales, then I want to see if we could, let's see, 4 hour is bearish, expecting price to flip bearish here at the 150,287 mark, 291 mark. 1 hour is bearish. Okay, cool. 1 hour start play here, lovely. 1 hour start play gives us what, 34 pips, or maybe a 1 hour onion play, or yeah, 34 pip stop. Our onion plays at 19 pips. Okay, cool. So perfect. I'm looking for sales today, obviously looking for sales coming down towards the next support, which is that 4 hour support around here. I want to say this is my target for a day, probably, or sorry, not target for a day, this is my target for a day down here. You have clean traffic in the 4 hour time frame. Once you flip bearish, come down towards the support level. The 1 hour is clean, coming down towards, yeah, cool. So probably gonna wait for, let's see, so yeah, this is your support here, and then this is your resistance here. This is a range that we're just in right now. So if we're able to close below 150 through 110, or 2, give us a 1 hour onion play, I may look for sales come down to retest the lows here, because once the one, because look at the 1 hour time frame, right? 1 hour candle came down, created support, came up, created resistance. This is now called a range here. So if you close bearish at the top of the range here, you expect price to come down to fill the rest of the range here within the next hourly candle, coming down like so to tap the support. And then once it closes below that support, then you have a high chance the price might drive further down here. But I want to take advantage of this range here, because this range here is definitely not a bad range. You have like 15 to 20 pips in this area here that we can price secure before we can go risk free and leave runners towards 149,538. All right, pretty simple. I think I'm more locked in GG today in gold. So yeah, or we might get a 1 hour start play. 1 hour start play isn't bad, but you have 9 minutes left. You might as well wait for the 1 hour close now at this point, and then see what happens. What else is in drawdown on GJ? Drawdown on GJ. How'd you guys get in? Where'd you guys get in? On a buy? On a 1 hour? I never heard of this song before. How do you know if previous day GJ has moved 190 pips? What do you mean? You calculate it. Oh, no. Oh, like how do I know it'll go down? It has nothing to do with how much prices move. Prices move 1,000 pips. Next day, I still move 2,000 pips. Prices move 1,000 pips. Yesterday, moved to say 20 pips. Who knows? Right? But overall for a day, like, understand the fact that we are bearish with the fact that price closed bearish. Just look where it closed. It's not necessarily how big or how small we moved. It has price. That has nothing to do with price action. You have a resistance here. You have a support here. Look where price closed today. Closed right here, right? Closed right here, which is below that support level, which is below this area. So today you expect price to drive down, come down towards the next support, as you have clean traffic here until that level of support at 149,500. This is clean traffic driving price down. So you're just adding up pieces together from a small time from now, 30 minute, 15 on 1 hour, 4 hour time frame, to show us signs as to how we could push down. And then we broke down how the 4 candles could flip here. We're expecting price to flip. The 1 hour is on close bearish, maybe a 1 hour start play. Closure below these levels here should take us down, looking left towards 149,500. So a lot comes into the analysis, right? The daily time frame is just the start of that analysis in a weekly. Find the bias, find the direction, and then now we just wait. We simply just wait for our setup. What's the bearish bias in JJ? We broke it down just now. It's bearish. My stream volume is low. Hey man. I sent some UD on my IG with some logo work. I'll check it out, man. I'll check it out. Haven't seen it yet though. Increase your volume because it's definitely not low. I think I don't change anything. It's in red. That's how I know it's not low, because it shows, you know the volume bar, it shows in red. It's a bit too high. Negative 3.2 decibels. It's pretty high. Pretty high. I can lower it though. Right there is better. Too low now? What do you mean? I barely touched it, man. And now I'm back. Start my Funny Challenge account today. Jeez, what's happened since I've been gone? 4 losses and only 7 wins. Been a slow month on stream. It was actually 7-2 before this week started. I mean September. Yeah, I guess it's been a slow month on stream. Yeah. I mean, how long have you been gone for though? Check go, bro. Bro. Nothing has moved since I started the analysis. We did the analysis already. Nothing has moved since. We're looking for sells. Once we break below here, price is closing above the range in 7 minutes. We're waiting for a 1 hour closure. There's nothing to look at. Right? Because we know what we're looking for, right? Like, we know that we gotta wait for this 1 hour close. So we have 7 minutes left. No point looking at it while it still has to close, right? What up, Marcos?
Maybach music.
Yo, we should add that to the intro of because someone made a song for Marcos, right? We should add that to the intro of that song.
Maybach music.
Was wait for just over a week? Yeah, I mean, hey, it took 2 losses this week on stream. Our first losses since like beginning of the month. It's fine though. Nothing changes. Why are you not looking for buys above? Because I'm waiting for this 1 hour closer. I believe I broke down why already though. Go back to the beginning of the stream. I broke down why I was hesitant on buys here. I'm gonna wait for a price to create support here first. I broke that down earlier and I explained why. Go back like 10 minutes on the stream. We did like literally a 10-minute analysis, or 5-10 minute analysis on gold. Cool chat. Look, the 1 hour's gonna close here in about 3 minutes here on GJ here. So if you get a closure below, I mean at this point, like we wanted a 1 hour onion play, but unfortunately prices came down, tapped the support already. So at this point, it's like we might as well wait for a closure below. We probably won't get a closure below in the 1 hour candle. I'm not gonna lie. We might get on the 1530. So I'm probably gonna wait for the 1530 close of the first hourly candle here. So 715, 730 is what you're looking at for positions. Unless price does close below, which would make it easier for us. All right. Just that'll be a 30 pip stop loss on the hourly candle. If you guys want buys, if you guys are looking for buys on gold and above the range, is a range shoe breaker for you guys, which it is technically a range shoe breaker. If you're comfortable with it, take it, right? Because I'm not taking it doesn't mean it's not a good trade. It might be a better trade than I would take today. Who knows, right? It's just that with the fact that the day candle is still bearish here, any given point, I'm afraid, and the forward candle has no top. We're gonna previous candle, and at any given point, we can still drive back into the range here. So that's why I'm hesitant on the buys. I want to see if price can come down, create support here, or maybe might create a mid range before we pop up. So that's why I'm looking for buys yet. Bro, go past 750. What you saw from that? Why would I sell? No. If price taps that target, it taps the day target. I mean, technically, like the buy resistance, right? We'll call it a day for gold. There's no point of selling at the top of the range, trying to predict when we're reversed, right? That's not the way we trade. we don't guess and predict, and try to be a superhero and predict when the next possible reversal is. We simply just wait for price to actually close. Like if I'm looking for sells on gold today, this week, which I am today, and I did the whole entire week, right? We need a bear channel closure to indicate that price may flip bearish, right? But until then, it's like technically price right now on daily, on the small time frame shows that price may just drive up towards the top of the range here. And if price taps 750, it taps 750. You can't do much here. You probably gotta wait for price to maybe drive down back into these ranges here to indicate clean traffic again. So let's say price does drive up like this, right? Price drives up 750, tapped. Cool. I wouldn't take a sell off of 15 closure like this. No, never. I'll probably take a sell if price were to break back into the range here below 743 to come down and fill the range. Or below here or below wherever, right? But I need those confirmations first before I just take a sell with no type of confirmation. Yeah, but you've been here for a while too, though. Come on, yeah. You know these answers. Watch the close below no wick. Don't say that. It should close here. You have like a mini watt player on a 1 hour. Should close there. 4 count's gonna flip bearish. Look at the 4 count chat. It's gonna flip bearish here. Once it flips bearish, it should be Chabella coming down towards support here. We're just waiting for obviously our entry type, right? So probably a 15 closure here. If you get a 15 closure below this range here, then I'll look for sells. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Why don't you trade US30? Curious. I used to trade it. I feel like I should average stream. I used to trade it. I traded it for like a good year and a half, 2 years. I don't trade it right now anymore, just because one day one of my brokers that I changed to didn't offer it no more. So I stopped trading from there. Whatever return on US30. Maybe again in the future. I don't know. But right now I'm only looking at gold and GG for now. All right. Got it. I should get that question every day. It's so random too, because like I don't even talk about US30 or in any given way, shape, or form, and people still ask questions about US30. Did you use the same? Yeah, US30 is the same thing. Like, every pair's the same thing. As long as the count is there, it's the count there, making highs, lows, body closures, etc. It's the same concepts, right? Look, go US30 real quick. I'll show you guys. Like US30 here, what's happening right now? The weekly is bullish, obviously, technically, right? At any given point, we can still flip bullish here. The daily time frame is bearish though, and you would now expect price to drop down. The fact that price goes bearish, and you're expecting price to drop down here. Actually, let me change the charts real quick, because there we go, this one. So yeah, you would expect price to flip bearish today on the daily time frame to drive down towards the 33,894 mark. If that's the case, I'm looking for sells, and I believe this is a very nasty range here that I don't like at all in this area here. So probably what I'll wait for on US30 is a sell below here, 3,400 below here or below here, and once you get that closure below there, I'll look for sells coming down to fill the next support, which is roughly around the support level right around here. Looking left, you have a nice 1,500 point move, which is around 150 pips in this area, for price to drop down towards 34,124, tapping the day target pretty much. So yeah, it's the same concept. This candles here, right? There's nothing different from this chart compared to this chart compared to this chart. Yes, the ranges might be bigger due to the pip count and the point count, but overall it's the same idea, right? It's the same ideas for the trade. Monday questions on Wednesday. Yeah, chat. Monday questions on a Wednesday. Did you just sell stops? I want a 15-minute closure here, so I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute candle to close here, and if price does close below 150, 300, I'll look for sells below here. That's like McLaren net trade on stuff on US 30.
Loved each other way more than we love life. We're so close, people thought we had a love life. We loved each other way more than we love life. Still do. AJB, I used to
US 30 is ranging for the most part a lot.
I don't want these niggas thinking that it's fearing me at all. Told my driver be on point.
Look at this very messy range here.
Steady calling, you ain't answering, you scaring me. In my city, if you winning, you can't stay. They call being broke real, they call getting money fake. I gave you a bitch, why you still looking at my date? I gave you some food, why you still looking at my plate, nigga? They say they love us, but that love might be hate. I can't really tell the difference, salt and sugar look the same. Look how they did Dex, look how they did Blake. Look how they tried to do me, but got JB. Man, that jealousy so real, man, that hate so deep.
Yo, Nam, you can't send charts here. If you want to send a chart, send it to a Discord server. Send it to our Discord server. Do exclamation point Discord, and it'll pop up a link for you to join the Discord server. And there's a section for charts for stream. Send it there. I gotta check that in a bit. Forgot about that. Uh-oh. Gold opened up here, closed above the range here. Just 1 hour candle closed above the range here. Once you flip, I believe it should be able to drive up here. On a 1 hour time frame here. But 30 minute just broke lows. Big our stops. 35 pips for 30 for 40 pips. I'm more comfortable taking GJ sells and gold buys today. I'd rather take gold sells today because the price is still bearish on gold.
First offer 50 years, so it's hard to plead. Hey, if they do something to us, then they known for it. But if we do something to them, then we wrong for it. Fuck that. If you take mine, I take yours, homie. Then go pray to the Lord. Don't be too hard on me. Hey, you drop one, I drop four on me. Then be like, God, please don't be too hard on me. Turn this bitch up, they gon' say I'm dead wrong. Fuck that, these niggas got my auntie with a headstone. Niggas telling me what to do like they smart as me. But they ain't take your heart from you.
Aren't you cryptos? I swear cryptos form cleanest patterns. If you believe so, you believe so, right? If you know, if you believe they form the cleanest patterns, then go ahead and trade them and kill the markets with them. I just trade GJ and gold. I don't know what to tell you. That's to trade GJ and gold. It might change in the future, who knows? But as of right now, I trade GJ and gold. All I know is that I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and trade GJ and gold. Or all I know that right now I'm trading GJ and gold. I might wake up tomorrow trading whatever else, but who knows? You know, I don't know what to tell you. These are two pairs I trade. Right? That's all I'm focused on right now. I'm not focused on trading the cleanest and fastest moving pair out there, you know. I'm just trading these two pairs. This is what's been working for me. What's your view on Bitcoin? Overall, long term bullish. This is the thing about trading crypto. I don't trade crypto. I invest in crypto. So I'm a long-term investor in XRP. So again, I don't care if XRP is dipping right now, if it's gonna dip tomorrow, day after. I just know that in 10 years I'm bullish. Yes, I see price coming down here, chat. Be careful. Yeah, I'm waiting for a closure. I was gonna say I'm waiting for a closure below in a 15-minute time from here. I'm not taking any impulse interest here. I want to wait for a 30 closure. I mean, 15 is fine as well because the 15 also has never closed below support before. And I believe with the 15 closure, you have a clean range of 18 pips anyways. So, should be clean. That's if you don't miss the move, right? But even if you miss the move, like I doubt price would just drive all the way down here before the next 15 closes. 85 pips on GJ. I hardly doubt it. So, we should be fine. If anything, we might get like a bit later entry, maybe below here or something, but still a 60 pip range remaining, if anything. You used to trade your 30. I was not punching my monitor. Hello there. What's going on, man? How you doing today? What up? What up, Luke or Lee? Bro, look at gold previous 15-minute candle. I think it's Nin Doji, which shows for potential sells. If you believe so, you believe so, man. I don't take sells and buys off of Doji candles, right? Yeah. What about 5 minute? I don't use the 5 minute time frame. Look for entries. I used to manage risk sometimes, hardly ever. But I never use it to really enter positions or anything. No, I need a 15 closure in 6 minutes. You'll be fine. You'll survive, right? I mean, if you want to take impulse entries, you can take impulse entries, man. Just like, you know, I just never take impulse entries. I just don't prefer to take them. I used to take them last year, the year before, and that's why my win rate was a lot lower than this year. How you been? What's going on, man? How you been? How you been, Patrick? Javid, what's up, man? Bro, you think gold will go to 17? Do you think gold will go to 1749? Do I think gold will go to 1749? I'm bearish there for a day, but I wouldn't be surprised if it does, right? If price flips bullish on the alley candle, I believe you have a high chance that price may drive up towards the 1748 mark. Yeah, potentially. But it comes down to, are you comfortable taking that? Right, for me, the previous forward candle has no bottom wick or no top wick here, and the day time frame is still bearish. Again, we can flip at any given point. That's what I'm worried about on a daily. And the weekly is obviously still bearish too. So I wanted a fake out back into the range here. That's what I wanted for sells. But if price does flip bullish here, we may get anticipation for price to drive up. Yeah, not a bad idea. It's definitely not a bad idea. But we must survive the previous 1 hour lows. If we break the previous 1 hour lows, then price will just probably drive down back into the range here, as expected. 5 minutes left, chat. You guys will be fine, right? 5 minutes has no bottom wick. You guys will be fine. Wait for the 15 to close, and we'll lock it in. Or I'll lock it in. Yeah, there's a minor support here at the 151, 18. Yep. Or 150, 100. Support right here. I don't want to put it on my screen because if I put it on my screen, I take a sell here. You guys can be like, oh, Don, there's a support right here. There's a support right here. Yes, I see it. We'll be risk free by then, anyways. It will be like 17 pips in profit, whatever. So I don't want to put this line here because you guys are gonna ask a lot of questions there. Because overall, I'm targeting support to tap down here at the 149.521 here, right? I'm just using those levels as minor levels to take advantage of. But yeah, I do see it. I'm not gonna put a line there though. It just confuses people, especially the new ones. If you haven't been here. Take out your crystal ball. A lot of people who trade US30 though have the intentions that they trade just because that's the fastest moving pair, or they think so. A lot of mentors and gurus out there, they push US30 so much because like it gives the most pips, right? And I don't know, it's just it's the same thing as trading GJ and gold. It's the exact same thing. College has been consuming me, bro. Yeah, bro. College is tough, man. I'm not in right now, but I know it's definitely tough. If you have a lot of work and a lot of shit to lock in, I'll lose my mind. See, I wouldn't have time to trade for sure. Two minutes left for chat. I hope we get retracement here. If we could just retrace up to like 150, 229 or something, that'd be perfect. Gucci me is a good hint. Good luck. Uh oh. Did we call a fake out on gold correctly? If we close in back in 15 minutes here. The only thing is that you have no top wick, which I expect. Since you have no top wick, I'm a bit more on the fact that price may just flip bullish here as long as it respects the previous low. But let's see. There'll probably be no sells for me on gold until we actually break the 1 hour lows, I'll say, because we can still flip bullish on the 1 hour. The same way we still flip bearish on the daily time frame. If that makes sense.
Choppers and Harleys and shit. For real. I be Gucci down. Gucci. You wearing Lacoste and shit. Bitch. Yeah. Montclair. Yeah. Fur came off a belt. Yeah.
Let's see. How big are stops on the 1 hour candle? If you're taking buys on the 1 hour flip here, stops to be around, the current candle stops are 25 pips. Previous candle stops are going to be 35 pips. TP is going to be up here at the 1749 mark. And GSL is here. Pretty clean. Nice. Look at the 4 hour candle flip. Okay, nice. Once you get a top wick being formed on this current candle here, we'll look for sales coming down. So that last to be the previous 15 highs, which is 150, 402. Cool. No top wick here. Be careful, chat. You probably want a top wick here. That's what I'm waiting for. You probably want a top wick on this 15-minute candle here. Because look, technically you have 7 pips here until you can go risk free and take advantage of those levels here. But I'm not comfortable entering here with the fact that you have no top wick on this new candle new candle that opened up here. I'm expecting the top wick to be created on this 15 candle here. So that's why I'm not in yet. But we did close below support, and now we expect price to just drop down. This is a support that people are worried about, which is right here. Yes. But with that 15 entry, if we were gonna enter on the flip, it would have been like 7 pips. We would have gotten break even there anyways. Let's see. But now it's just like, now you got bond wick, and so like now if we're looking for entries here, you gotta wait for price to re-break the lows here, and with the re-break of lows, you have like a 2 pips until you tap that support level. So I think at this point, it's better to wait for a 30-minute candle closure here, and hopefully below 151, 100 or 116. Because then you have a nice clean traffic level until the next support, which is down here or down here, anywhere below here, these levels here. Stops to be a bit bigger though. But that's just because we weren't expecting this 15 to close like complete like all the way down below here. We're expecting at least like somewhere at like 150, 252 or something. It's all good though.
Damn right, bro. 4 a.m. I'm just getting started. For my birthday, I threw me a surprise party. Reminiscing about the trap playing the first quarter. My life changed when I had my first daughter.
Increase volume, the music volume. Oh shit, we called the fake out, chat. We called the 1 hour fake out on gold here. We called the fake out. We broke down the 1 hour candle fake out. With the fact that 4 has no top wick here, 4 has now flipped bearish. The 1 hour has now broken the 1 hour lows here. Looking like price wants to drive down here towards the next support here at the 1738 mark here. Yeah, so it was a range 2 breakout, right? But you got sometimes like a range 2 breakout isn't enough for you to change the bias. Like sometimes There's a 4-hour candle that might come to play. There's something with the 1-hour candle, something with the 30. Like there's other things that come to factor aside from just like, you know, a range 2 breakout. Like yes, a range 2 breakout is what you want technically, but there's a lot of other stuff that you want as well. Increase. I just can't hear myself because it's loud on my end. It's more loud on my end than your end. Trade's called. I don't think we called anything. I mean, we called a potential fake out, but it wasn't like a trade or anything we can take there, right? I think I'll call like a GJ sells if price comes down here. Look at the 4 count flip. Nice. So we couldn't get our first entries here in this area here, obviously. Earlier on we couldn't get that. But we were expecting the price to flip, and then it came down. It closed. Yes, it closed way below the range here, so we couldn't get in here because we had such a small range here. We had the wall play though, so then we couldn't get on a 15 closure either because the 15 closure was way below the range here and had no top wick. So now we gotta wait for a 30 closure, which is fine. 10 minutes left, chat. Will we survive? Or will we miss the move? Thoughts, kid, you might be new here. Are you in a trade? No, I'm not. You'll see me in a trade when I'm in a trade. You'll see me enter the position on the screen with stops, TP, and all that on the chart. So John, why stop impulse entries? I haven't taken an impulse entry all year. We've stopped impulse entries since like last year because we realized that impulse entries are, for me at least, they weren't reliable. Like they were very inconsistent. I'll say they were like a 60, they'll play out like 60% of the time, and it just wasn't worth the trade-off. And that's why like my win rate this year is a lot higher than last year and ever before, because we stopped impulse entries. Like for example, like this would have been an impulse entry you could have taken. And if you took it, you'd be like, fuck, we're rejecting here. You know, it's just so many questions that you're asking yourself in an impulse entry. Like, why not just wait for a closure below the range and not guess and predict if we're going to drop down or not? Also, I believe that impulse entries are emotional entries as well. I think price will drop down with volume here, so I'm going to enter a sell here, right? First ends up rejecting, you're like, I'm going to impulsively close now. It's just a lot of emotions that you have to deal with. I don't think it's worth it for me. Long term especially. I rather miss the move by missing a position I couldn't take without closure and sell down for a lower probability setup, which is the impulse entry, right? Long term, what's going to play out more often, the closure or the impulse entry? Think about it, right? Never sell down for less. Never sell down for less, chat. So if they go down, I expect go to drop down here with the 1 hour breaking below the range here. Look at this now, because look, the 1 hour broke the lows, right? 1 hour broke the lows. Day candle is flipping bearish. Look at where day candle closed yesterday. It closed below the support here. Below the support. You have clean traffic until 1728 once you flip bearish, obviously, right? So with the 1 hour candle closing back into the range here, you can add pieces to the puzzle. I understand that this could just be a start of the rejection, which was the 1 hour candle fake out to start the day candle flip to continue down. So as price comes down later to fill the range back on a 1 hour time frame, it'll come down towards 1738, which then would be the 4 hour candle breaking at lows at 1738, 1736 levels, and then from the 4 hour candle breaking at lows, you have clean traffic towards, you know, pretty much these levels down here, 33 and 29ish, which matches perfectly with the day time frame. And then day candle flips bearish, will be below 1730, and then below 730 you have clean traffic until, you know, wherever 1724, whatever, right? So like you see how, like, you know, there's little puzzles that you gotta put together to make one huge scenario. So that's basically what we did today on gold. You missed a real move, and it was not impulse entry. It had confirmation on the 4 and 1 hour candle. The next move that you were waiting will be an impulse move. You got wrong idea, man. Again, I say it all the time, man. Doesn't matter what you say to me. At the end of the day, I'm going with the plan that I've been following for the past year and a half, 2 years. And whatever you say, you're not wrong. You're not right. Whatever I say, it's not wrong. It's not right. At the end of the day, you stick to your plan. I stick to my plan. We're both winners. That's all that matters. There's no right or wrong way of trading an FX. There's no right or wrong closure. There's no right or wrong impulse entry. There's no right or wrong, you know, it just comes down to what you're comfortable with. I've never said an impulse entry was not, you know, profitable. I just said it wasn't the ideal, you know, win rate for me, at least. Right? But yeah, man. Stay up, King. What works for you, boo? I guess I've been having the wrong idea for the past 2 years. Try and change someone else's mine does not affect your bank account unless you're political to worry about your own trading. Yeah. Again, like everyone, like no one's right, no one's wrong. At the end of the day, I understand that. Like that took me a long time to understand too. Like no one is wrong, no one's right in FX. Like there's no point of arguing with someone about some strategy because at the end of the day, like just who gives a fuck, right? If it works for you, it works for you. Like me taking push below range has been working for me this whole entire year. I'm not gonna change because someone in the chat told me to, you know, that was wrong, right? And I'm sure they wouldn't change their strategy because I said that was not profitable for me. No, we're not gonna go there. Down looking at the 15-minute time frame on GG, would you have taken the onion? I was looking at it on a paper but didn't like it live. 15 on GG, would you have taken the onion? Yes. Yes. The only thing, the reason why I didn't take is I started my stream late. I started my stream at 6:36 here. And by the time I saw price, it was already down here at 140, like 150, 437. So we couldn't get it on a 30-minute start play. But we were waiting for the 1 hour count to close bearish, right, for an onion. But obviously we missed that as well. But yeah, that was valid, I believe. Yeah. But it's obviously easier to say now, right, because price has done the move already, has made its move. But you know, it would have been valid, I believe. Yeah, everybody's a winner. Oh, chat. My gate closure here. 2 minutes left. Oh damn, man. Yeah, I'll always check your MT4 into 5 before you hop off, or if anything, always have it open until you finish trading. Once you finish your session, make sure you check if you have any orders left. Delete them, right? Make sure you delete them, or delete them when they're invalid off the rip. Try not to like hold on. Like, try not to wait, you know, or be, I'll delete it later, like, because this stuff can happen to you. It's happened to me before too. Not good, man. Just those are mistakes you can avoid though. Like those things you can avoid. Those are actually mistakes. All right. Pressure stream. Oh, we got no chance to stream today. Okay, cool. People that stress about missing every move won't live a long life. Yeah, because you can't catch every move, right? Very true. You won't live a long trading life. You can't catch every move. Just like you won't catch every opportunity, investment opportunity there is out there. Right? If you miss on the initial pump of NFTs, the initial pump, okay, there's more opportunities out there. Something else will come up in the next couple of months to years. I'm pretty sure. This is how trading works, right? When will we enter gold sales done? Topic, there's no topic in an hour candle. That's what's bothering me here, honestly. I wanted that topic. I don't know. It's a 1 hour topic too. It's not like it's a 15-30 minute topic. It's a 1 hour topic now. Worst case, below 1738 now. We get sales below 738, come down towards 1733. I want to say that's not bad at all. You know what? Trade's called. I'm gonna put fake out called on gold. We obviously didn't call position, but we definitely called the fake out. Yeah, Nate, I don't know. People will be people now, right? It's okay. We just focus on ourselves. Okay, Thurman has closer chat. But at the support. Ah man, fun. Closer at the support. You have a low range coming down towards 150, 160, 116. We want a closure below here now for more sells, right? So I think at this point, you might have to wait for the hourly or next 15 close. But like, I believe this is the last level we got worried about before we actually have like, because we have a decent range coming down after. You have this piece right here you can catch. On an hourly, it will be clean until like 149, 500. So you have a lot of range here. Here's the thing, man. I made a post about it. Here's the thing. So this is why like you know, telling someone that some strategy sucks doesn't make sense, because here's the thing. Someone could say I don't like trading the 5-minute time frame. Cool. Because they have personally backtested the 5-minute time frame, backtested and sample sized to understand that the 5-minute time frame isn't worth it for them to take, or it isn't profit for them. That's fine. But someone else, on the other hand, could have sample sized same amount of data on a 5-minute time frame and found that the 5-minute time frame was profitable for them in a way, right? It comes down to whatever you prefer, what you're comfortable with and what works for you. So that's why it doesn't make sense to say you're wrong, you're right, because their wrong could be someone else's right, their right could be someone else's wrong. What up, Marcos? Nice camera angle, man.
Maybach music.
What up?
Yo, look up to the cam.
No.
Why? look straight up to the cam like this. Maybach music.
I don't like it up there.
Damn, where's that on your ceiling? God damn, man.
It's on the ceiling fan. I'll put it on the fan so it spins around.
Yo, imagine.
Maybach music.
Was that no? That's Marcos saying it yesterday. We just clipped it. It was so funny how you said it. I was so surprised. I didn't know you had it in you, Marcos. What else do you got in you?
Streams too early. I never have energy.
All right, cool. Yeah, yo, I reviewed charts of all pairs. Who is it? Yeah, I reviewed charts of all pairs. Just send it in the Discord server. We just haven't got charts today yet. Bearish environment on the higher time frames, as well as fundamental confidence is a bearish momentum, expecting price to keep breaking down despite the short-term bullish correction. Nice. Although 5-minute price action indicates price to be rejecting the upside, expecting this to be a liquidity grab for ADM open market watch, flow with the market. Yes, bearish. 3, although we are breaking above a zone on the higher time frames, reading live candles on a small time frame enables me to have a grasp on the direction prices head, dude. Exactly, using the small times to your advantage, right? On the direction prices head due to factors that include, not limited to, volatility in the candle and the time of session. 4 T-pulls at 10 pips, 101 RR, sell limit, triggered at 742.87. Nice, man. Nice position, man. 10 for 10. 10 for 10 on charts and 10 for 10 on trade. Congrats. I had a bearish buy state. Bearish cannot form, thus forming the resistance potential on in play. Nice. Nice entry here. Yeah, this is a good entry earlier. Very good entry. 3, enter on a break of the lows. Stop loss, previous candle high. Close 50% at 10 pips. Stops to break even. Close rest at 30 pips in profit. Nice, bro. Good trade. Very good trade. I like how you wait for the break of the lows here. Because 30 minute was breaking. It was a 30-minute starter play there too. If you didn't notice, right? 30-minute starter play happened right when you entered on a 15-minute breakout low. So. And that's why we wait for a closure here, right, chat? We broke down how, yes, we close here. We could come down, tap the support. But the question is, will we break that support or will we reject that support? And it looks like price isn't closing below support just yet. So hang on there, buddy. Yeah, I lost around the same amount, Courtney. Lost around the same amount, man. 15 to 20. I blew like around 20 accounts. Or more, 25, 30 accounts maybe, I believe. What's your plan on profit that you made on Forex? Just live a happy life. Well, I mean, happiness isn't money, obviously, right? But be able to do things that I couldn't do without cap, though. And I guess that leads to happiness. Doing things you don't want to do. I just need tools to do them. I'm only 21 too. Like, I'm taking things very slow too. Like, you know, like, I don't understand why people, like, some people say like, yo, like, you're doing this, you're doing that, bro. Like, go live out. You know, comes down to where you're comfortable with, man. I don't know. I'm only 21. Probably looking to move out within next 2 years for sure. Next year, but 21, man. Pretty young still. When you going on vacation? October 19th. October 19th, chat. I'll be gone for 4 days, unfortunately, but you guys will be fun, right? Yeah, you guys got this in the bag. Don't worry. You guys got the train call. You guys got the whole community in a Discord server that had the trades the same way as you guys. That understands how we trade. It's lovely, isn't it? You have Mr. JXTR. You have Peanut Head MM. You have everyone in Discord server. Alex B, everyone, all the mods. What's good? What up, love, sir? What's good? What's good? What's goody, man? What's goody? That's my dog. No worry, not going to stream. It's like 4 days, man. Don't worry. I won't stream for 2 weeks in December though. I confirmed that yesterday. You'll be fine too though. I mean, December is gonna be hella boring. What's my plan overall though? To buy the New York Jets. I bought the Toronto Maple Leafs. Yo, do you think he would buy the New York Jets one day? 7.7 bill, bro.
Yeah, they're going down. They're trash. They need a new owner.
Gary V. Gary V.
26-0.
Yo. Gary V at the draft. Oh, number one prospect? I don't want him. I want number 30 prospect. I think he has potential. He has empathy. He picks the 30 draft. The 30 respectfully. He picks the 30th prospect.
Straight up.
Quarter 4 of every year has volume less than the rest of the years. I mean, I've been trading for 3 years, so for the past like 3 quarter 4s or 2 quarter 4s, I want to say I've noticed that yes, they have, but again, I'm not sure for like, you know, on like the past 10 years how accurate that is, but I know for the past 3 years there's been less volume. Yeah, for sure. All right, chat. We got 21 minutes for a 1 hour closure here. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Appreciate you being here today, of course. Marcos, what's your thoughts on sells on gold here, or GJ?
I just marked it up.
In love with me?
I need a closure below 127. It's a little higher than yours.
Cool.
But that's it. 20 pip range. 30 minute.
Yeah, it's like half a pip higher in mine.
Yeah.
There are 1 hour closure below. You saw a gold fake out. We broke down a fake out, but
yeah, I looked at gold and honestly, I just don't like anything. I don't like the last 4 hour had no top wick. The sells is just not clean traffic at all for a while. So we'll just be focused on GJ until we move one way or the other. I prefer gold sells, but it's gonna be a ways away.
it makes that sound like me today. Sound like me today.
Same analysis.
Yeah, I want to go sells too, like over for a day, because the day is bearish.
Yeah.
They can still flip, right?
Daily's bearish, weekly's bearish. 4 hour close, no top wick. I just don't really want to take buys there. I'd rather wait it out.
And we also broke 1 hour lows.
Yeah, there's just no point. I don't need to take that trade.
Also, sells below 738 makes sense too. There'll also be a 4 hour breaking of lows around that area. That's clean traffic.
Sky like it's 2055. She said, boy, you nice.
Sleepy Hollow.
At that angle.
Look up.
You liked that, didn't you?
Bro.
Screenshotted that for his background.
Yo, someone screenshot that and send that in the Discord server.
Maybach music.
Bruh. New PFP? Your new Twitter PFP, Marcos?
NFT only. The 30 minute closed above support, sir. That's why. Zaza.
I spoke these pips. Marcos, wait, who? You asking a question?
I answered a question.
Oh, the third, Izzy? Izzy?
Yeah.
How'd you enter Forex, your journey? My friend of mine told me about it. He's like, yo, Don, you know what Forex is? I'm like, nah, brother, what's that? He goes, yo, Forex, bro. You can make this into this. I'm like, okay, cool. He goes, yeah, you can trade oils and all that good stuff. I'm like, cool. I look at it. Next day, I did probably 5 minutes of research. Next day, I opened up. Yo, I didn't know MT5 was a thing, because I opened a demo account on like, I don't know what it was. I think it was some other broker. But I know the first pair I ever traded was SPX 500, and I made like 30K on a demo account, popping on fast lot size. I didn't know what I was doing at all. But the moment I made that on a demo, I'm like, oh, yo, this could be real one day. I said, you know, obviously, I'm like, okay, you know what, man? I asked him like, yo, so how long should I go on demo for? He goes, you know, quite a couple months at least. I'm like, okay, cool. I'll go on demo. 2 days later, live account opened up. Blew the account the same day I opened it up. So, nah, bro, we're medium. Oh man, yeah. But crazy. I obviously didn't have the right intentions coming into the game, but at least now we learned, and now I'm trying to teach you guys or provide Thankful for you guys, so you guys don't gotta be in that situation. Long Live ASAP was a great album. One of my favorite albums of all times. One of my favorite albums of all times, man. What is the profit percentage gain for this month so far? Like 10% or something. 10-15% I want to say. I think no, sorry, no. With the two losses yesterday and the day before, I'll say this month I'm now up like 7 or something percent, I believe. I gotta check, but thanks around that. I had a good start to the month, but the past 2 days have been pretty chalk for me. It's alright though. There's no rush. I might start showing results again one day. Again, right? Because we took a break from that. Maybe I'm thinking maybe like 2022 or 2023. Sorry, I don't know. I don't know if I'll do for 2022. I don't know. Maybe I'll do for half of 2022. Maybe like Q2 to Q4 or something. Yeah, maybe like end of Q1 to Q3 or end of Q1 to Q3 or something. But I'm gonna take a break till then of showing results every day. Hi controller, what's going on, man? We appreciate you down. I appreciate you being here today. Skirt. Swerve. Uh-oh. Here's the thing, chat. We don't gotta close below 150, 119 because or 116, because if you close below here, which the 1 hour hasn't done yet, you still have a wick fill to get filled, and then you have a nice range going down as well. So we can wait for that in this case. We can wait for that. As long as it doesn't close within this area, I want to say. As long as it doesn't close within this area here. Because if it closes here, then you know how you don't have much range to go down. It's not a 1 to 1 RR. If you close here, you have a 1 to 1 with the wick fill. If you close like RAV support, obviously you can't take sells because you need a closure below. So in this area here would be perfect for a closure for price to drop down on next hourly candle. But you have about 14 minutes left. See what I do. Chad, do you remember the last time I stood up on my desk? Let's stand up. Oh, this is even my song back in the day.
Check out my neck, check out my wrist, yeah. I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now
I want to run it down real quick.
Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, yeah. You can't tell me shit, yeah. Remember I was broke, yeah. Now I'm getting rich, yeah. When you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quick to take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit. Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit.
I forgot I forgot my desk stands up too. Haven't done it in like a long time. I'm feeling sore today. I had leg day Monday. Yesterday I did arm day. Ooh. Sometimes, man, when you lack at the gym, man, your only motivation is looking at yourself. You start to lose some muscles. You're like, can't be looking like this, man. Get right back into it. You don't gotta watch a video on motivation. Tell me shit. I used to play as like when I was like, the song came out when I was 15, 16, 2017. I was 17. Never mind. I wasn't that young. I was not that young. Yeah, as long as the 1 hour candle closes below the support on GJ, we should be goody. The stops will be around 12 pips. TP will be around 16 pips. I'll be comfortable taking it. And I cold this house though. God. No cold. Put a hoodie on. Hold on, chat.
I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now nigga getting rich. I swear every day we lit. Yeah, every day we lit. Yeah, you can't tell me shit. Yeah, remember I was broke. Yeah, now I'm getting rich. Yeah, when you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quick to take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit. Every day we lit. Yeah, every day we lit. Every day we lit.
Every day we lit.
15 minutes onion on the on that 1 hour maybe. As long as we close below.
Sorry.
As long as this 1 hour closes below, we can wait for 15 minutes to close bearish if we want. Or we could just enter on the 1 hour, whatever.
Yes. Wait, will it close below? Or will we reject?
I don't know, but if it does, it's gonna be looking like perfect play. Like it tapped support perfectly. It would go back to resistance perfectly. I hope it doesn't flip though.
Let's get it.
Yeah, wait, what? The Zoom call? What do you mean? You can join it. It's in the announcements channel. Rick. You might be in the wrong channel. It's in the announcements channel. On the course members channel.
Billy Wickstein.
Unless I sent the wrong link today. You joined fine, right?
Yeah, I joined fine.
I missed the link again because I might have added something to the link by accident.
No, it works. I have a question for you, Don.
What's the question, sir?
If this 1 hour were to close above, right? It'll close above support. But the next 15 minute at 8:15 were to fake out and close back below, what would be your would you enter?
If this one closes above the range?
If this 1 hour closes above, but the next 15 minute closes back below for a 15 minute fake out.
You asking if I would take the position?
Yeah. Did you hear the question?
I heard the second part. I was typing something. Say the first part again.
If the 1 hour was to close above, but the new 15 minute 8:15 closes back below into the range for a fake out, would you enter?
It has to close bearish.
Yeah, if the 15 minute were to close back below, even though the 1 hour closed like doji.
No? I mean, as long as the 1 hour closes bearish, then I'll take the 50. Yeah, I'll be fine with it. But if it closes doji, I'll be skeptical with it. I probably wouldn't.
Yeah.
So I was changing the name of the servers for our announcements channel. I ain't squash no beef. He doesn't play with beef, man. He plays with chicken only. GJ 50-minute chart here. Clear bearish bias. Price couldn't maintain bullish strength. Lower highs created pre and wide volume. 10 pips, 100%. Fake out, create a lower high. True. Enter during pre and wide high volume. Stop loss, fierce 50-minute candle. Plus 4 pips loss at break even. Approaching a minor support. Plus 10 pips, 100%. Nice. Nice, man. Nice. Valid. Very valid. There's nothing better than Ty Grizzly and two Grizzly and Meek Mill on track. Kamehameha. This is Air Force One activity music chat. I have a playlist on my Apple Music called Air Force One, basically, and this song's like an ad to it, I think. Those kind of colors are nice. Pretty valid. A little different. Remember that one time chat I changed my background to pink? Were you there, Marcos?
No.
Oh my god, it was so, look at this, man. I went a whole day on stream and I asked the chat, yo, do you guys like these colors? They hated it, but I still stuck with them. I'm like, yo, these are dope, man. It adds a cool vibe to it. Never again, man. Never again am I ever gonna do that ever again. Look at this. My eyes are burning that day. It's like waking up and looking at like a highlighter. I'm looking straight into the sun. Man, we go way back, chat. This is all this year? Holy shit. January 18th. Oh yeah, it was this year. But where's that? Oh, right here. Look at this. My chart was pink and purple. Does the chat else like this? It's so ugly, man. Oh my god.
I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both right now, and I need you in my life. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk.
Yeah, man. I don't know.
I'm both right now.
I mean, at least you won a trade with it. Next day, I went straight back to my old colors.
Yeah, you think I need you, but I don't.
But I don't. Uh oh, Marcos might get a 1 hour closure. Might get a 1 hour closure in 5 minutes. 5 minute fake out. 1 hour closure. What good song is this, bro? This is called Both by Drake. What up, Wixnan?
I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both right now. Got me talking about my life. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both right now. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both right now, and I need you in my life. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both right now.
Hi Don. Oh man, not you again. Remember that guy who said, yo, you remember the one who said, I think it was you, right? Was it you? Or it was not you, but I think it was you because you brought this up again. You said, well done. You had you're done. You have your record of 7-2, which means you have a high probability you might lose the next trade. What the fuck? Hey man, if you think so, you think so, man. Whatever floats your boat, man. Whatever floats your boat, whatever gets you going in the morning. Is Ethereum dropping? Where's Ethereum at right now?
29 on the daily's fine. It's I think it's gonna come down to 2,000, 2,500.
I saw a tweet of the day yesterday, Marcos. The tweet was tweet of the decade. I said, one Ethereum is one Ethereum.
That's true. That's how I look at it.
One Ethereum is one Ethereum. One Bitcoin is one Bitcoin. Yeah, let's take a once to drop in a weekly to 25, like you said, yeah. Oh, you see an M? You see the M here, Marcos? Big M here. Big M. Big W. He eats a different kind of cereal. Yeah, what you be eating, man? You speak too fast? Hey, man. There's an option on YouTube for playback speed. If that works for you. People always say that at the start, but they get used to it. It's just the way I speak, man. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. If you don't understand me, you don't understand me, man. I don't know what to tell you. You get used to it. I've been following you since January or since July. Damn, 2 months or 3 months. Thank you. Appreciate you for following. Have mercy on me. What's that song called? What's the song about smoke? Pop Smoke. Have mercy on me. How's it go?
Many men. Many men.
Oh yeah, the one that Pop Smoke sampled. Can't speak right now.
We're closing below on GJ.
Oh, 1 minute. 1 minute. Nice hot wick chat, and then we'll be in it. In it to win it. Yo, you guys ever watch A Minute to Win It on like TV, or is that a Canadian thing? A Minute to Win It. Such a cool show. I got it on me. Yeah, it was a sample. Originally 50 Cent, yeah.
Lock in.
Lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in. Four 7. We'll be close below here, chat. We'll be close below. Find out in the next episode. We got close below and then have a nice wick here because we're expecting price to come down to fill that wick. Gotta get a nice top wick first though. Stops are what? How big here? 11 to 12 pips? Not bad. For a 1 hour candle? Not bad at all.
Oh.
Nice. Nice top wick. Can we push up further? Nice. Okay. Nice opening. Is that the top wick? Okay, cool. On the break at lows here, we'll be in chat. Break at these lows here at 150, 260 here. We'll be in on sells with the 1 hour candle closing below the range here. So. Entry. Type. 1 hour closure. Below. Or sorry, yeah, end type. Sorry, setup type. Setup type is like 1 hour closure below. Entry type. Flip after wick. Nice. I think we're about to be activated here very soon here. I think we are. Yeah, cool. I got to sell here, chat. Got to sell here. Price closing below the range here. On a 1 hour candle, stop loss is the previous 1 hour candle high, which is 13 pips. Stop loss and TP is down here for around 75 pips. As you're expecting the price to continue down here. Once price does continue down here to fill this wick, or if it does, we'll probably move manage risk by probably moving stops to break even around the 150.182 mark around this level here. I look to move our stops to break even, do all good stuff, managing risk. Cool. But yeah, as long as you respect the previous 1 hour candle high, you should be valid for sells. If it does break the 1 hour candle highs, then high chance price would just drive all the way back up to the top of the range here. Or taking this on the hourly candle here. This is off the hourly time frame. 15-minute starter play about to happen too. So if that happens, that'll be a cherry on top. How the chairs? Big Mac. Will we get a 15-minute starter play, chat? On top of the 1 hour closing below the range here for a 1 hour wick fill. Find out. Marcos, you in, Marcos?
Yeah.
Nice. What's not you in? Or Rick's not there? I'm not sure.
Looks like I never joined.
He's in it. He's
Oh, he
muted.
did join.
Yeah, he's muted.
Someone else left because I saw it was at 5 participants.
Remember it was at 20? It was wild in the chat? Or in a while in the Zoom? Oh,
No.
nice. 15-minute start play has happened. Cool. Nice. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. 21, 21. Any videos on fake out candles? Exclamation point fake out. How'd you enter, Marcos? On the break of lows, or did you enter on like
The break of the lows. 260
oh
is
shit.
my exact entry. What'd you enter on?
Yeah, on the break of lows basically.
260.
Yes.
I think I'll move. Yeah, same as you. Stops to break even at like 7-8 pips.
Pushing, pushing, pushing chat, pushing chat.
Hold up.
Will we get 10 pips today? Will we get 10 pips? Find out. ADM opening too. ADM opening. The reason why I'm a TP's down here, chat, is just because like you could just put it here if you want to. It'll still be over at 1-to-1. I'm putting it down here because I'm expecting price to push down here towards support here, with the fact that the day timer has clean traffic until then, and the forward candle has clean traffic until then as well. So that's why my TP is down there. But whatever you guys prefer at the end of the day, right? It should work. A video should pop up. I don't know why it's not popping up. I think it's a fake out command, chat. We have a command for fake out, right?
I think so.
Yeah, I think we have a fake out command.
It was 49 degrees outside. It's so cold.
I'm not sure. Let me try it. Oh, ranges. No. Avoid. Oh yeah, yeah. Sorry, it is ranges. The mod captain. Someone's like, Tyler may know what's going on. He's the mod captain. Tyler comes in, put # point ranges. It worked. Oh man, mod captain. Who's the assistant? Marcos?
No.
The assistant captain. Is there a assistant captain in soccer
No.
or basketball? Come on, GG. I just want to play the song today. Just
She's a runner, she's a track star.
just once. We can't be playing this all day.
Maybach music.
That's why we hit stop loss. 21.
21. I gotta go to Dunks, man. Get a coffee.
Man, I need a coffee too. I mean, I was asleep last night.
Last night, probably like 7, 8.
Damn.
I like 7. 7 sounds right.
Good stuff, man.
Thanks, man.
Maybach music. Okay. You have the 15-minute candle chat closing in about 7 minutes here. And if we close above 150 through 300, we may consider closing half my positions. If you close above 150 300 on a 15-minute candle. If you can get a 30-minute start play now, that'll be lovely. The good thing is that we enter on the highest time frame possible, which is a 1 hour in this scenario here. So
Yeah, we're chilling.
yep, this is a little top wick on a 1 hour candle, but let's see. So I'm gonna stop that at break even. Nice. Yeah, chat. Everyone manages risk differently, or everyone manages their trade differently. If you move your stops to break even there, I mean, you're at 5 pips. If you did that, you did that, right? I always say it too. Like sometimes, like even I don't like do the same way as you guys, right? Or you guys don't do the same way as me. Everyone does that differently. So comes down to whatever you're comfortable with. I didn't go stop to break even yet though. I'm waiting for I'm waiting for that line 150 with 183. Because that line there is 30-minute support at 150, 183.
Look me in my eye.
All I wanna do is go out trapping with the shoes. Wrist game froze, you should see the way we do it. Sexy little bitch, you throwing titties out the window. You from out of town.
Damn, everyone moves starts to break even. Really? I'm surprised.
Ooh.
Chat. Yeah, a lot of people start to break even. I thought it was that was like a couple people, but a lot of people move start to break even. I like 5 pips and they got hit break even, which is fine. No, I'm vaping a trade. Nah, it's their trade that I'm there too, right? Like, regardless of if I you know enter or not, they would have still entered. $8.15 count. I should get a lot more NY volume at $8.15. As long as it goes above or below that support resistance, we should be good in terms of managing risk. But at 4 count, still bearish, obviously. Let's see. 30 minutes flipping bullish. 1 hour count flipping bullish. Maybe move stops breaking was the right move for you guys. But I probably never move stops breaking at 5 pips. Hardly ever. They got like 4.5 there, if anything, with spreads and all that. If I entered on the opening, then maybe that would have been different because I would have got 7 pips there on the opening. But I entered on the after a lower wick was created, so that's why my entry was a bit later than the opening. Yeah. I didn't get nowhere near 6 pips. I sometimes move off 6 pips too, but. Price is flipping her, chat. 30-minute time frame is filling that wick. 1 hour time frame, obviously still respecting this resistance here. I think there will be a pullback to 150, 300 for starting off. I mean, if you think so, right? If you think so, you think so. Yeah, valid. I mean, yeah, new hot wick down at this point on a 1 hour candle. Here goes. 3, 2, 1. Take off. 10 freaky girls.
If we re-break the lows, I'll move my stops to like current candle highs and then break even at like 8. What do you think?
Thinking, I think that's cute.
Thanks. I got like 4.5 on that one. Last push. Yeah. After spreads, I literally got like 4.5.
Somebody said you in this trade? Yes, I'm in this trade. First you get questions like, yo, are you in a trade? And then once you're actually in a trade, they say, are you in this trade?
How can you like, I just don't like what? How can you like further explain that you have it on the screen?
On the screen, like everything is here. We move to break. You know, I'm in the trade. Yes, like I don't just put things on my screen not to take them. You know, I take whatever I put on my screen. I stay true to
this. Sign that pops up connected to your MT5.
Yeah.
What up, Wix? Why'd you come so late today, man? I'm joking. You were in a Zoom call for a bit. I'm like, how come he's not speaking?
I had to roll one.
That took you a long time, man. I thought you were quick with this shit. I thought it took you 5 seconds there.
Yeah, but you know, kids running in all the time. My daughter was walking out to school. You know, all this shit. Typically, I drive them, but I have my girl drive them right now. Yo, so are you in the trade?
Shut up.
I just came on to find out.
Are you in the trade?
Yeah.
Did you get it on the flip or did you get it on the breakout lows of the current candles earlier?
Current candle lows.
Okay, nice. That's the entry I got.
What's your entry?
Like right here.
No, I mean, what's your entry? Your real entry. What's the number?
Oh, my number. 60.
60?
Or 65.
It's so cold, bro. I'm like freaking out a little bit.
65. I
need a winter coat. I'll be back.
Gotta wear a century than you. You're home. You need a robe. Get yourself a robe.
Yeah, Marquise.
One of those Versace robes. Just stumped on the stream.
Wait, son, are you on a losing streak too?
2, yeah. After like 16 in a row.
So far for your 100% month.
Yeah, no 100% month.
That's fine.
I have a 100% week right now.
100% losing week. Hey, Chad, you have a 15-minute onion here on a 15-minute time frame. Nice. Once you flip bearish, you rebreak the lows here. Say ciao, Bella. Should come down to retest the lows. This guy looking like Michael Bibbs in the chat. Remember he had a robe every day?
Michael Bibbs.
Yeah, remember? Is he still in the chat?
Bibby?
I think so. Yeah, Bibby.
The music's loud and I'm feeling wild. Come dance along with the golden child. I don't know much about you, let me check your files. 2 technicals, but you're beautiful. You grew up 6 brothers in a cubicle. And they all wasn't for you.
Marcos, I'm not sure if you saw, but you have a 15-minute onion play.
All the technicals say this should go down.
Yes.
We shall see.
You know, that's what the technicals say.
I'm in the mood to lose.
They don't always tell the truth.
I'm in the losing mood. What do you guys think?
Maybach music.
Keep your mood to yourself. Keep your mood swings
I kind of want this to go
to
bullish.
yourself.
I'm thinking bullish, boys.
Marcos has been in a buy since yesterday, holding a drawdown.
GJ to the moon.
DJ better pull back to 149 before it goes to the moon.
Mods, please. Mods, please. Please, mods.
What the hell?
This guy,
Some people are just so weird, bro.
so weird, man. So weird. Why? Oh, God. Yeah, Chad. The 15 closed bearish below the resistance here. So that's why we didn't really close half or anything. But now that the 15-minute breaking the highs here. Oh, if you want a man interested, you can close half here with the 15-minute breaking the highs here.
15-minute Celery.
Yeah, you have a 15-minute starter play. What do you think about this 15-minute starter play here? What's your insight?
the wrong way.
Are you take the 15-minute start play? You're gonna hedge it?
No, I don't hedge shit.
I've never hedged before.
I never hedged them.
I've never done that before.
If you break the 30-minute highs, then I make a start closing half.
What's that, like 2 pips?
Yeah. If you break the 30-minute highs, then make a start closing half.
3 pips from stop loss.
Thing is, like 30-minute is still close below here. You know, 30-minute still respecting that resistance. Let's see.
I don't know, man. We took on the 1 hour.
Yeah, it's 1 hour. That's something too. Like I might just. It's just a 12-minute stop too, so it's like.
I mean, obviously the 4 hour can still be bearish with this 1 hour breaking the highs, but
1 hour breaks his highs there, man. That'll be 3 straight losses. Our first 3 straight out since like.
I don't think I can handle that much rejection.
May or something.
Did that break the 30-minute highs? I'm like, I can't tell.
No, 30-minute highs. The previous 30-minute high was 366. This one is 366. Oh, it's the same high, yeah.
Look at the exact high, yeah. This is most volume on GJ in a while. What's going on?
Pick up the phone, baby.
5-minute double top, bro.
All right, man. Down bad.
5-minute M pattern.
Done. 5 minutes.
Got a Batman signal on the 1 minute.
Oh, for reals?
It's coming.
For reals?
Flip 15. Flip.
Oh, 5 opened up, no bottom wick, closed below.
That's
so we're good. Look at the 5.
No, I don't like how it opened.
Oh, it opened great.
Oh yeah, it opened. Oh yeah, that's right.
That's a great opening.
They said no top wick, no bottom wick.
No top wick. Here we go.
This hourly though looks trash.
Are we really analyzing the 5 minute right
now? The 1 minute. The 1 minute looks great.
Yeah, but your broker doesn't show the 30-second. You got a shitty broker. If your broker doesn't have a 30-second time.
Oh, here it goes.
Oh, here comes the 30 second.
Can I get a 5 minute? Can I get the 5 minute onion or start play?
That's a 30 second celery play. All right, let's go.
Every time someone says here it comes, it doesn't come. Stop saying here it goes.
Here it goes.
Here comes the rejection. Here it comes.
I feel bad because I know we're joking, but there's definitely people in the chat having like an emotional seizure right now.
These assholes got me in a trade. I'm full margin, down 5. This is bullshit, and they have the nerve to joke. That 1 year time frame's looking nice. looking bearish on the monthly. We're almost at TP on the 1 year.
Oh man. If you get stopped out, that'll be actually unfortunate because like there's literally no flaw in the setup, I believe. Like.
Nah, this is probably the best trade we've taken all week.
Yeah.
Like
narrow wise.
Explain this loss to my signal group. What I tell him? Don had a bad day.
If you close your chat, if you close your left eye, you close your right eye. You know, for 5 minutes here. Look back in 5 minutes, you'll be in good hands, man. What time is it?
Signal group sending me death threats.
Okay, 1 hour is reflip. Oh, never mind. 1 hour is 37 minutes for 1 hour closure. Why should trade last till 9? I would not expect the trade to last till 9, and we would have been out. Like we would have anticipated to be out of this trade the first 5 minutes here, but
I don't care how long it lasts. Just give me a fucking winner. That's it.
flip the chart. Makes sense.
Yeah, lots of volume here.
Yes, here it is. This is Marcos. This is Chad's POV to Marcos today.
Maybach music.
These niggas prayed on my downfall. These niggas prayed on my downfall.
Yeah.
thermometer for the pot. I need this shit cooked right. Let's keep that water 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
Marcos looks like he's stranded at like the North Pole or something.
Marcus, look at the camera. Maybe that's what we need.
No,
I'm gonna
sir.
get this guy some fire.
Yeah, chat.
Maybach music.
Yeah, in all seriousness, guys, you're fucked.
We're re-breaking the highs again.
Yeah, back.
Yeah, rest in peace. This trade.
Chat, I understand though. Like, I know, like, we're like just kind of like, you know, like it's cause like we've been like we're so used to like, you know, like we know what we're looking for here. We know that we can't manage risk here until like this hour count closes here. So like that's why I'm just like kind of just chilling right now. But I understand that this trade here makes sense until you break the 1 hour highs, right? So like even if it's close, like try not to be emotional about it. Like yes, you can say, oh yo, it's pushing up here. It looks like it wants to hit to the stop loss, which yeah, sometimes could be true. Then again, like I've seen so many times it happened to me too, where I close like earlier, like I close right now because price is near my stop loss. I try to save like 6 pips, and overall like price doesn't end up breaking the highs and it ends up flipping bearish. So it's important to understand that like, you know, price action still makes sense here. Drop down.
So does the RR.
Yeah. Yo, do you have runner shit on, or you just have a TP at like 150, 106?
I got 149.9.
Yo, ghost is disgusting. No top wick on the current count, no top wick on a previous candle.
4 hour no top wick, like what?
Like we're over at bear shit too. Like we broke down a fake out, but the 1 hour had like a top wick. I would have been in. It's just that we had no top wick on the previous one.
Gold needs a
That's on
price
current
action
one.
course. Somebody needs to put gold through price action.
I need some calm music. Oh no, I can't play this. Post Malone.
What the fuck?
Oh, this 30-minute close is below. Look at the 30-minute done. We got 4 minutes.
Yes. Very close below and bearish. Oh man, we'll be in good hands. Eyes on closer below. That's all I'm asking for. But
the only thing I'm thinking about is if it closes above, do I close any?
No. What?
What?
you'll save like 10 pips.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Or it might just flip and we might just hit break even before.
I mean, if this 15-minute flips bearish and breaks its own lows, like we'd probably chop below. But if the 30-minute closes above bullish, then I'll consider closing half.
Hey, here's an idea. Why don't you just wait?
You know, that's a great idea. Thank you for your absolutely special and unique outtake on this particular trade, Wix9. We'll take that into consideration.
I'm ahead of my time, bro.
Yeah, thank you for that. Thank you for that peak financial analysis. Thank you so much.
Follow me for more financial advice.
Just wait.
Just wait.
Just wait.
There.
Yeah, call the market maker, bro. What's going on?
Hello? Hi. Market maker.
You're...
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? What up? What up, man? I am the market maker. GJ will drop down here in the next 20 minutes.
There you go. What can I say? It said in the next 20 minutes it'll drop down.
Uh-oh.
Shit.
Don't
How am I
worry.
gonna pay my bills now?
Gotta go find where the market maker lives.
I'm gonna go need to get a part-time job after this trade.
Moving to the Maldives.
Back to flipping burgers.
Looks 9, man. You had me in stitches ever since you came on stream.
Yeah.
I don't know, bro.
I guess you got laughing. Oh no.
Stitches.
I never heard that term stitches before though.
That's funny.
Oh chat, let's we got pack our bags and get back to McDonald's here.
I heard they raised the minimum wage. So it's not that bad.
Wow, man.
Think about it. You get the evening shift. You could trade in the mornings. And if you're lucky and get the window, you could probably do London during the evening shift.
All right. Man. Chat, real shit. I might consider closing half if the third minute closes above here.
If you switch to a bar chart, it looks pretty good.
May close half your chat once the third minute closes in 50 seconds here.
I switched to Ike and Ashi, and it's looking real good.
Ike and Ashi, jeez.
Look at it. If you switch to Ike and Ashi, it's all bearish. That's all I'm saying. That's hollow candles. You guys switch to Hike and Ashi.
Yeah, switch to the baseline. You're looking good here, man.
I just want you to keep.
Oh wait, yo, Hike and Ashi does look good here.
Yeah, I'm telling you, Hike and Ashi. I'm going down. Suddenly, I'm using Hike and Ashi. Let's go.
Hike and Ashi section in the Discord.
Oh man, down. Oh man, look at the.
Oh yeah, no, I'm closing full.
What the fuck is that?
That was the
that was the poop candles.
Yeah, chat. I might consider closing half, or if we close here in 6 seconds, which we will. So I'm gonna close half my positions there, with a negative of 7 pips there. In 3, 2, 1, boom. Cool. So closing half here, and then now gonna let the rest run. The reason I closed half was because the third minute closed above the range here, so the breaking above that resistance, so the probability of us going down gets a bit lower with the fact that third minute they close above. However, keep in mind that we did enter off the 1 hour time frame, so until the 1 hour time frame actually closes, we can't really do much in that yet. It's our personal preference too, so if you don't want to close half, you don't gotta close half. I just close half, but there you go.
Look at the 15-minute salary play going down, low key.
It happened earlier though. It's a thing. We'll be a fake out this time though.
Fake out.
Yeah, fake out.
This fake out happens, I might take another entry.
What's gold doing? Came down towards target. Nice.
Let's not talk about gold.
4 hour salary on gold.
Let's not discuss gold.
Hey, at least you can come and say we broke down a fake on gold today. Oh, looking good, Marcos. Looking good, Marcos. Looking good, Marcos.
Stop. I'm looking at the 30.
Yeah, 30 looks disgusting. Like disgustingly. Like if I just got the trust for now and I look at 30 minute time frame, I would nowhere near enter anything right now for sales. What I probably would do though, if I didn't enter it though, is have a sell stop on the 1 hour lows. The current 1 hour lows. Will we continue down here, chat?
Fake out, fake out.
$830 volume. Where you at?
I know a bunch of people on stream were doing illegal activities too before trading. Right now, this trade fucking loses. They're like, fuck, I gotta go back to drug dealing and shit. Marcos, what are you going back to?
What?
Once this trade's over, like, what life are you going back to? Are you going back to the streets? Like,
I'm probably going back to McDonald's, flip burgers.
Really?
Yeah. Minimum wage, sweeping floors.
I'm going back to panhandling.
I thought I could make it, but I guess not.
Look alive.
You're looking alive right now. OnlyFans? True. Sub to the OnlyFans chat. Mature FX.
Yeah.
For exclusive content.
Yeah. 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 Oh, this is so bullish. Yo, wait, man, you close half or not? I know you held full.
Motherfucking fuck, man. I'm holding full here, hoping for a fake out.
Hoping.
Waiting.
Hoping. Not a good word.
That's my favorite analytical strategy.
I'm hoping.
And you know, as soon as I was at like ING, as soon as I was like at Hope, I was like, fuck, I fucked it.
He tells his students that. He tells all his students.
I'll be like,
Section
damn.
4, hope.
There is no hope in Forex. There's no hope.
Hopium.
Hopium.
Someone said, can we mute Marcos and his bullish behavior? You can mute these nuts.
Oh. Marcos on one today, man.
15.
Marcos is on one. 15 minutes sire play. Okay, your hope has come true. Come alive, man. Look alive.
What's alive? No.
We need something to saw and turn up.
What's alive is this full position right now. That's what's alive.
Okay, okay.
I need a little bit of that hopium.
Oh man.
Uh-oh.
I had some of that hoper. Does the music speed up for you when the trade starts going?
Always,
in my head, this is playing fast as hell.
I agree. Every time the trade, like, if we like go in profit, the music's on like 2x.
It's like, I hear Drake.
Bitch come through, you and you, bitch come through. Bitch come through, you and you.
Yo.
Hey. Hey.
Honestly, this is a lot better.
Dude, we could go through the album in like 25 minutes.
Quick stopper back and try. I'm trying to.
Hey, we could do this.
It's fucking with the trade, bro. I don't think the market maker likes that shit.
All right, bro. We done. This is too much.
We're on speed, bro.
Oh, yo, Marcos, do you know I gotta send you guys a video, bro. Yo, Marcos, do you know that new streamer named I Show Speed?
No.
He's like he's a YouTube though. He's not on Twitch, but he's one of the like the biggest now. He's like an Aina Ross of YouTube. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm gonna send it to you. I'm gonna send it. Chat, yeah, we gotta lock it in here. But man, was that shit?
Fake out.
Nice. Push it down here, chat.
Oh, you uploaded it?
Yeah, check it out. I'll play on the memes. Don't watch it yet. Go, we gotta do a reaction. Go do a reaction chat real quick. Oh wait, hold on. Lock it in. Lock it in. Lock it in. Lock it in.
Yeah, lock in for sure.
Can we break the 30-minute lows? That's where we got a breakdown.
Are you gonna re-enter more?
No.
She might be the one. Do it again. One more time.
No, it won't show. The bill's too big of a file. It's fine. That guy was down bad.
You're gonna let my dog out.
Can we see here? Can we see Brooklyn? Yeah, but 15-minute start play chat. So now technically you would expect this to be a fake out, 15-minute fake out, 15-minute start play coming down to fill the range here at the 150.180 here. That's what we're expecting here. Nice. Pushing, pushing, pushing. Can we go break even at 150, 183? Will we go break even? Find out. I'm blowing this is day one. Oh, this song is called "Fuck 'Em Off" by Chris Brown and 2 Grizzly. I think I played it already in the morning.
Hey.
Come on, can we get 10 pips on this trader? Talk to me, GJ. Can we go break even here, chat? Nice. Gonna move my stops to break even here. Making this a risk-free trade here, as you have tapped that 30-minute support that we mentioned earlier. So looking good, looking great. Risk-free trade here. Got nothing to worry about anymore. And yeah. Nice. I can't sing. I was singing, but you guys will probably leave. Hey, can we get 10 pips though?
Drive down.
Yeah, I want to drive down. I really want to drive down for.
Because I'm at like 8 pips and I haven't closed. If this shit hits break even, I'm gonna be tight.
You know what they say, Mooksan? Don't go break even. Remove the stop loss.
You're right. Fuck it.
Where's 10 pips at though? Oh wow, yeah, I got like 8, 9 there. I didn't get 10.
I got 8.
Yeah.
It's gonna reject though.
Looks like it. Yeah, at the 30 minutes starting to reject there off that support.
The support, exactly.
Yep. But hourly candle is clean.
Yeah, but it needs to hit it here, otherwise the next hourly will fucking
pull back. Yeah, I know what you mean. Yep. Well, you're in good hands because the 1 minute's gonna flip bearish here in a second.
Yeah, but the 30-second on my broker is fucked up.
But the 15-second is gonna flip bearish too.
Yeah, but the milliseconds, dog. You don't know.
Well,
you got these milliseconds.
Well, 2000 BC shows that it was a rejection.
Yo, come on, JJ. I'll give you fucking half a pip if you fucking hit this.
Oh, 1 minute starter play.
It's a fake out. 1 minute fake out.
Now watch price hit break even and drive down. Wouldn't be surprised. Like, look at this. 30 minute rejected that support. Comes up, retraces. If it does drive down though, if it hits break even, it'll probably drive down a little later in the day. Like I'm talking about 9 a.m., 9:15, 9:30.
Wouldn't you think that the better stop here is above this current candle?
Above the 15?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can. I just was half ready, so it's like.
You wouldn't expect it to drive back up, you know?
Yes. All the way, right? That's what you're talking about.
Exactly. Yeah. You would expect to pull back, but not drive up all the way. I think that's something that we got to work on for next year, because.
Let me note that down.
We have a lot of break evens where if we could, like, on this specific candle, not any other candle, but this specific candle, like the chances of it coming back up and reflipping. Like,
all right. So the first one we gotta do is wick, and then up, and their lows breaking. And there, what's one you just said? This one was what one you just said?
Well, this one hits support and pulls back, but this was a very this is the candle that gave direction. It broke, it came back in the range. It gave us the fake out candle, the celery candle, and now it just hit support. You wouldn't expect it to come flip bullish, even though you'd expect it to pull back.
It's true here.
Yeah, I just hit break even.
And wait, you hit break even?
Yeah.
What's your entry? 60, no? 62?
No, 1,256.
Oh, 256. Okay, might as well hit break even anytime. Oh yeah, hit break even. Cool chat.
150,256.
I think
so you see this candle pulled back, but like
yeah,
you wouldn't expect to flip. Like this is the candle they gave all direction.
So chat, I'm not like, I think earlier when we got like around the 8, 9, I'm not sure how you guys entered, but if you guys got 10 pips, congrats on you guys. You guys are able to close half. I wasn't able to do anything, obviously. I got like 8 pips, but I mean, you know, got the trade at break even, and some people got a trade with break even half closure. I got a half closure break even, which is fine. I took it as a break even. But some people definitely got 10 pips for sure. You got earlier entries, but very it was a good trade, but hard in the emotional side for a lot of you guys. You guys are very emotional about it. I can tell you guys are emotional about it. But you know, good. That's why we have Marcos on the stream, cheering everyone up. Hopefully he didn't like ruin any accounts today. But
and Brooklyn.
Yeah, and Brooklyn. Shout out to Brooklyn. Put Brooklyn up the camera. What's the mix again? What's the breed?
Half Pomeranian, half Chihuahua.
Oh yeah, half Pomeranian, half Chihuahua.
Don't let Don next to your dog. Let me touch her. Let me touch
he loves this dog.
I love that.
Every time I call Don, he goes, "Let me see Brooklyn."
let me see what he's wearing. Let me see.
So cute. I never liked Chihuahuas. I hate Chihuahuas until I saw your Chihuahua. I'm like, yes, dog.
He's like a fake Chihuahua.
I can't handle 2 dogs, Chihuahuas and Yorkies. They're so fucking loud.
I want to show you guys a video though.
My dog doesn't really bark that. She only barks if there's an intruder in the house. She's a guard dog. She's more like an alarm. Not really a guard.
It's more like the battery dying in your fire alarm's beep.
Yo,
type of noise.
Yo, watch this. Watch this, Michael. It works.
Yeah. Can you fix the camera? I mean, I'm sorry, bro.
What did I say?
I'm so sorry. Shit. Can you do one thing for me?
Yeah.
Can I see you bark?
Alright, I got you. Hold on. Can you go first? Alright, hold on. I got a deep voice when I bark, okay? Alright, hold on.
No way.
Got you. See?
W's in the chat.
Oh my god! What is this female right here, bro?
Have it set, bro.
Dubs in the chat.
She barks.
Yeah, I've been practicing for you.
Oh my god, chat.
She barks.
Oh my god. Oh my god, chat. She might be the one. Do it again.
Yo, we need this stream from Don.
One more time.
Yeah, one more time.
Turns me on, please. Whatever turns me on, you have to do it.
Look at
oh my god, it turns me on. Keep doing it. No, you don't gotta do it no more. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yo, I saw some Twitter and I was like, bro.
Oh my god, it turns me on.
That's some Gen Z activity facts.
Bruh. Come on now. Quit playing the younger generation chat. You know what's up.
Yo,
what?
Don. Let me hear you bark.
Dude, you motherfuckers be just.
Yo, excellent. Let me hear your bark works, man.
Yeah, I'm not barking now.
Yo, Wick's not dead ass one of those pit bulls that fights, bro. This guy's got a spike collar, bro. He's that, you know that bulldog from Tom and Jerry?
Yo, it's my favorite cartoon.
Oh man.
Whew. I love my generation, man. We got high hopes, man.
Yeah, you guys are the first generation that could like 10x their parents' account before 18 without leaving the house ever. Sick. Parents are like, yo, what the fuck did I study my whole life for? He's over there in the basement jerking off, making millions.
Crypto portfolio? All you need. Oh man, that's funny.
You just need good Wi-Fi. That's all you.
You know what's funny? I saw on Twitter yesterday is on the news it was like breaking news: the stock market's down 1%, and the crypto Twitter was roasted. We were like 1%. Like what? I don't get out of bed for 40.
That's funny.
That's funny.
Man,
that's boomer stocks right there. Stocks are for boomers. Even Forex feels slow these days.
Bro, yo, you should watch Speed, bro. He's so funny.
So that was funny.
Keep doing it.
Ross been streaming? I haven't seen him stream in a while.
No, you don't got to do it no more.
He does. He streams every day.
Rice gonna quit, right?
Yeah, but I think Aaron Ross replaced Rice Gun with the Speed. Like super close now. So funny. Yeah, chat. What are we doing here today? Oh yeah, so sells on, someone says buys on gold. No, I'll say wait for the forward the closer, and if gold closes below 1738 on a forward candle, then you look for sells on next forward candle towards 1733.
What do you think about GJ? 30-minute fake out, 4-hour closing bearish. I know, but it's there. It's clean. You would take it if you didn't take another trade.
I don't like the way it's unclosed like every week. I mean, it's still closed bearish, yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I mean,
hasn't broken the highs. It might drive down here.
How about we wait for 151.16 now?
It's driving down. I ain't waiting, but
you already got in or what?
You motherfuckers can get on if you want, but this train leaving.
I ain't reading all that, but I'm sorry that happened. Or proud of you.
This is the best stream hands down.
That's funny.
This stream is funny today. Okay, yeah, I come earlier every day, man.
I came at 7:30.
You came pretty early today. You came pretty early.
I woke up. I watched an episode of Marvel What If. I made a coffee. Got on at like 7:20. Good vibes. You gotta add the BE to the record. We got 4 BEs now.
Oh yeah. Don't play some Wixhouse music so you can feel comfortable.
Classic hits BE. Now we're driving for sure.
So are you talking about Wixhouse?
You need to go find God.
Okay, but Wixhouse, you know how you brought up that we should work on this next year? How are we gonna work on it? Because it's like I mean, I guess
we'll try it. We'll try it one trade on stream.
One trade for one sample size?
Like, well, no, I'm just saying we'll try it one day on stream.
No, I think I'm gonna close half at break even, and move the stop to current candle high.
Oh yeah, you can close half at break even. I forgot you can close half at break even. Yeah, but you gotta do it manually though. You gotta be on a spot with that.
I'm gonna see if it goes like, let's say 1 pip, like give or take, or 2 pips give or take, like plus minus 1 pip. Like as soon as it hits 0 or goes into drawdown, even if it hits me at like 2 pip drawdown.
Yeah.
That's more or less break even.
He closed. Drive down now.
Like imagine we closed half of that position, and right now it never broke the highs. Like right now you're basically break even on the position. All right.
Whoa, I like that.
You don't like?
They can't see the secrets on my whiteboard.
Whoa! Look up. Look at the camera.
Caught in 4K. Got him. Sneaking in.
It's a good camera. It's 1080p.
Whoa! What camera is this, bro? How you do that? I can't do that.
None of your mother business. It's a secret. Trade secret.
All right.
That'll be 5 Ethereum.
I can do that on iPhone now though, on portrait mode on FaceTime. Yes, Circle FX. Appreciate you being here, man. Love that. I'm gonna pin that. Uh-oh. Say ciao, Bella. Marcos, did you re-enter that?
Sure. Hell no. I wanted the 30-minute closure, but now it's not even gonna be a 1-to-1.
Unless it retraces.
Now you gotta wait for the closure below. Yeah, unless it retraces.
Really tired of the Forex market doing this to me.
I know. I'm gonna go trade Ethereum.
No, this is
bullshit.
No, it's not bullshit. It used to piss me off, but now I'm just mad at myself for not adjusting. Like I keep talking about this, but I'm not adjusting.
Okay, next trade you adjust to it. Next trade, try it out.
Talking about this on stream for like at least half a year.
You know what we've been talking about on stream for a lot though? Almost a year now. I think if anything a year, the WAP play. It just hardly happens though. It happened today though on GJ. I was looking at it on a 1 hour.
It's not that high of a win rate. I feel like it's like
really
60.
I've seen it happens all the time though.
I feel like even if that win rate is not high, the profits are more at the end of the day than if you don't take the play at all.
I don't want to add like a 60% win rate to my, like if I'm mainly 80, like I don't want to add anything under 80.
That's if.
Yeah, I'm just saying, like if it's like a 60, 70%, like I'm not going to add a play that's worse just to force more trades, you know? Ooh.
Someone threw shots at you, Ixnat. Someone said, no adjusting needed. Trade was entered on the 1 hour candle. Conditions are still valid. Your fault you closed early. Wixnan.
I closed early.
Oh shit. How you gonna say that? What are you gonna say to that?
My stops got hit. Yeah, you're right. It's my fault I brought my stops to break even.
Why are people so salty for no reason?
Not even salty. These are about things that, you know, that's out, like, you know, if you...
I don't even see Oh, I'm on top chat. No one...
Yeah.
See, it filters out your negative shit. Your negative vibes have been filtered out. Nah, but no, in all seriousness, absolutely right. You know, we're all individual. It's not our fault. It's just, you know, it met the market met my conditions to be out of the trade. That's it.
Yeah.
Would you take this closure below
off of his own judgment? Or everyone has their own judgment. I had the same judgment as Wixnan today. Would I take what?
The closure below.
Yes. On a 1 hour candle? Yes, because I gotta wait before it has gonna close. 4 minutes left though. Let's see. I may be on longer if he does. Yeah. I don't want to leave. The vibes are beautiful today. Someone said beautiful trade close fall. Good job, K. Hey, if you guys made profit on that trade, whatever you guys did in that trade, send it in the profit channel in our Discord server.
Said, would like no more stop losses for me. Respect.
Just have to be aware, respectfully.
Respect. Look away for 5 seconds. Rip.
MM just took TP number 18 today.
This is MM's 8th trade of the day.
I MM, have you ever seen a loss in the Discord server? Ever?
MM has never ever lost.
He's never lost. Why would you even insinuate that?
That's actually noob. That's a noob's thing to say. And losing's for noobs.
Peanut head.
I resent that.
He said, "Why am I getting bullied?"
Can we see a chart of the trade before it happens?
He sent it. He sent it. He actually sent it. We just troll him. He sent it though.
MM has a 200% win rate.
He sent it. Oh, yo, MM, let's see your props for today, man. If you don't mind.
MM's the GOAT.
Yeah, you got a lot of unread messages, bro.
Oh yeah, I know.
Bro, I muted almost everything in the Discord except like a few.
People are like,
yeah,
you think that's a lot?
Channel.
Nice.
Like
Circle FX with 10
2,500.
pips. This is London? Yeah, London was so nice for sales this morning. Wow. Got
London's
streaming,
been so
who's
clean.
streaming
60
London?
pips.
Let's go.
I know. I'm about to start waking up at 3 a.m.
120. But 30 pips here. Nice.
We're closing above. This is 4-hour stops.
I can't do that. Like, it would come at the expense of me having a decent fucking day and being productive.
I do enjoy getting on stream at 7:20 and getting off at 8:50. We'll say.
And then enjoying the day. Like, think about it. Like, if you were trading London, you'd be really like, damn, I wish I could do that New York thing.
It's true.
I'd give that up in a sec. The grass isn't always greener. It's just.
Man is the Chuck Norris of Forex.
Yeah.
Last night.
Got to do with it.
What else is a good banger? Throwback. What's a good throwback banger?
Anything by T-Pain.
Pardon?
Anything by T-Pain.
Come on, Wes, give us a bark. No stops to breaking that's TP1 hits and 50% TP1 taken from me. Hey man, whatever you prefer, right? Whatever you prefer, whatever you think or believe that works. Yo, what's good? What's gold doing? Is it good for our closure? You need a closure below 738. I answered this question earlier, man. Yeah, you've been here. I feel like, you know, it goes to one ear, out the other ear. You need a closure below 1738. And right now, you do not have a closure. I mean, yes, it is still bearish. You were still expected to drive down for a day, with the day being bearish as well. Day hasn't flipped yet. But regarding entries, is this valid? Not for me. At least I need a closure below here on a 30-minute time frame or something.
GJ opened with no top wick.
And yeah, GJ, yeah.
He's not. This music's a vibe. I say, hey, what's up, hello.
Want to hear what I grew up on, chat? This is what I grew up in. This is what I grew up on. This is my first ever like rap song that I ever downloaded on my little MP3 player when I was a little kid.
This is my first spring break.
Really?
Yeah. No, I'm lying. This is like my 10th spring break.
Lollipop.
It wasn't until I was in grade 9 when I realized what the song's about. Or not even grade 7. I'm glad I managed to watch the stream today. Started channels with the GJW. See you tomorrow. PS Flix, you were a vibe today, bro. I appreciate it. Marcos, look up. Where's mine? What about me? You like my bark? Wow. All right. Looks like it's a chalk day, right, chat? One break even today. Oh yeah, the record. 7-5-4. Jesus, that's an ugly record. It's not good though. Or 7-4-4.
Yeah, 4-4.
That's so ugly.
So ugly.
This month started out so nice.
Yeah. Well, chat. Hope you had a great day today. I'm gonna go ahead and call that a day today. You know, probably will be a move later on. I'll say like the next 30-minute candle, 9:30. So I'll call in a Discord server, or I'll be in a Discord server train call if there is. But other than that, man, hope you guys have a great day. It was a funny stream today. Very well managed trade today as well. Other than that, peace out. All love. Great session.
Peace and love.
Catch y'all tomorrow, man. That was in the chat. Peace.
Later.
Later.
She my trap queen, let her hit the bando. We be counting up, watch how far them bands go. We just set a goal, talking about
Yo, but look at gold.
Okay.
Imagine. Wait, on end.
Everybody hate who we just call
I got a Lowe's?
In love with the money, I ain't never letting go. And I get high with my baby. I just left the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby.
Yeah, baby.
And I can ride with my baby. I'll be in the kitchen cooking pies with my baby. Yeah. And I can ride with my baby. I just left the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby.
Marco's in on the flip.
And I can ride with my baby.
I'm already in.
I'll be in the kitchen cooking pies.
You know, the chat still here, like, oh, they're in a position?
No.
They lied to us. They just got in. Down bad. I'll go, man.
Alright, peace.
Just wait. Pull over day today. Just wait. Alright, keep that going.
Cooking pies, I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? See your pretty ass.